To begin, I'm priming my face with the Wet n Wild Hydrating Primer Serum. Then to conceal, I'm taking the Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. This is so smooth and easy to blend. Definitely one of the biggest things I look for in a concealer. Then I'm using the Beauty. This is their Bronze Balm in the shade Sein. Trying it out for the first time with you guys. So to begin, I'm just doing a swatch. So smooth, it feels like butter on the skin. It's effortless and it just glides right on. Now the true test is to see if this will blend easily. And sure enough, as you can tell, it is easy to blend. And it doesn't have any patches or anything. Now for the liquid blush, I'm taking the Rare Beauty. This is one of my favorites, my go-to. I use this almost every single day. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake to set my makeup. This has been a ritual. I use this almost every single day as well. And trust me, you guys, I would not be sharing any of the products that I don't like. All of these products are in my regular routine. Now taking that Beauty Bronze Balm and contouring my eyes. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette for an everyday look. This is the Makeup by Mario Neutral palette. This I use almost every single day. This is the Patrick Ta contour. I love this one as well. All products I will list down below so you don't miss a product if you're looking to use them and try them out. For blush, I'm using the Trio by Anastasia, setting my makeup with the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay. And then I'm taking that Easy Bake again and just over top of that setting spray, setting with the loose powder. One of my favorite mascaras, the False Lashes by Essence. You guys know I'm a sucker for these mascaras. And then I'm taking this lash separator. It's a lash comb, I should say. And then I'm doing a very subtle wing look. And then the brow product from Merit. This is a new product that I'm trying to see if I like it and if I'll be purchasing these products. It's a newer brand, so I'm so happy to try them out. And the lip liner. This is the matte lip liner by Rare Beauty. And this is in the shade Gifted. And this is perfect for the fall. I love it. I'm going to be using it all the time. Now here's a cool trick I'm going to show you guys. To set this lipstick, I'm taking the shade Matte 9 to really seal the lipstick in. And there you have it, my fall look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think.